Hello Professor, my name is Alan Thomas and my student ID is 8683242. I am here for the demonstration of the ABB Robotics Lab, and we can see the template here, and we can also see the program written here. So before moving on to the simulation, we should make sure that our teach pendant is on, and we give enable there, and we are moving on to our simulation. So when we are switching on to the simulation, we have a question here: choose the letter or weight to display. So we have got the weight robot or the letters ROPT here. So for example, we can write these letters only 3 times maximum. And if I am giving the weight robot here, then the next question comes: choose the number of times the letter or weight has to be displayed. So if I am giving 0, the program won't run. I have given the command exit cycle to exit that code, because we are not asking to write in number of times. So if I'm giving OK, nothing will happen. So you should give the input values 1, 2 or 3. If you are giving more than 3 also, 3 times only it will be displayed. So we can go to the simulation again, and here we can give the word, so the number of times can be given as 3. So we can see the robot writing robot 3 times. Necessary gaps and spacings are provided for aesthetic look. So we have wrote robot for 3 times. Now we can give any other letter, say we can give letter R, and if we can display it, if we are giving the input as 5, then also R will be displayed only 3 times. If we are giving input as 5, so we can see how many times R will be displayed. We can see R is displayed only 3 times, so that's a maximum limit. Now we can give another letter, say O. We can give O 2 times. And now the remaining letter is T. We can give also T. If it is necessary, we can need to display only 1 time. We can give 1, and T will be displayed only 1 time. So we can see the code running here. If we are going to the simulation, and if you are giving the weight robot and it is to be displayed 1 time, we can go to rapid and see the code running here, the code getting executed. Since we have told the robot to write the weight robot, this goes to each subroutine, calling the each letter that is in the order ROBOT, and the code is completed. When we are coming back to the simulation, we can see the weight robot is written here. So that's all about the demonstration. Thank you, Professor.